Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 10 foods that will boost your immune system. If you're looking for ways to keep winter colds and the flu away, your answer may be as close as your grocery store. If you eat certain foods, you may be able to help your immune system stay strong to fight these infections. Eating different kinds of foods is very important to make sure you get all the vitamins your body needs. 1. Citrus fruits. Many people try taking vitamin C once they have a cold. But vitamin C can stop you from getting sick in the first place by making white blood cells, which help fight infection. Some citrus fruits you can try are grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes, and clementines. Make sure to take vitamin C every day because your body doesn't store it. Since there are so many citrus fruits to choose from, it's easy to have some with every meal. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers have double the amount of vitamin C as citrus fruits. They also have a lot of beta-carotene, which keeps your eyes and skin healthy, while vitamin C keeps healthy skin. 3. Broccoli. Another vegetable with a lot of vitamins and minerals is broccoli. Broccoli is full of vitamins A, C, and E, and also a lot of antioxidants, which makes it one of the healthiest vegetables you can find. The best way to eat it is to cook it very little or not at all, to keep in as many vitamins as possible. 4. Garlic. Garlic is used in foods all around the world. It adds flavor to food and is very helpful to your health. It's been known to fight infections for many years. 5. Ginger. Like vitamin C, ginger is something people start to use after they have a cold. What people don't know is that ginger can actually stop you from getting a cold too. 6. Spinach. Spinach is another vegetable that's full of vitamin C, which helps the body fight infection. Like with broccoli, it's best to cook the spinach as little as you can to make sure the nutrients are kept inside. This will add to its vitamin A and take away oxalic acid. 7. Yogurt. To make sure that the yogurt you're buying will help stop you from getting sick, look for the ones that say live and active cultures on the label. These cultures can help your body fight sicknesses. Yogurts can also have a lot of vitamin D, so look out for those brands. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow, bitter spice that's used in a lot of curries. It has been used to keep down swelling in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis for many years. Also, it's just become known that curcumin, that gives turmeric its color, can help with muscles hurt from exercise. 9. Poultry. Chicken soup doesn't only make you feel good once you're sick, but it can also keep you from getting sick. Poultry, like chicken and turkey, has a lot of vitamin B6. Just 100 grams of light turkey or chicken meat has 40 to 50% of the B6 you should have every day. 10. Papaya. Another fruit full of vitamin C is papaya. One papaya has 224% of the vitamin C you should have in a day. Papaya has papain, a digestive enzyme which keeps down swelling in the body. It also has potassium, B vitamins, and folate, which are good for your health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.